Hello, welcome you all to Child Healthcare Program. I am Dr. Neelam Patil, an Ayurvedic practitioner and fellow in child healthcare. So today we are going to see about the enhancing memory in children. Enhancing children's memory. Children's mind are like sponges, absorbing information and developing their cognitive skills at an amazing rate. Memory is a fundamental aspect of learning and development, and we can empower children to reach their full potential by nurturing their memory capabilities. Importance of diet for memory boosting. Some of the healthy foods, if we see, are fuel for brain, that is a balanced diet which provides essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B and E, antioxidants, all of which contribute to optimal brain function and memory formation. Then, improved concentration, nourishing foods that stabilize blood sugar level, preventing energy crashes that can lead to difficulty in focusing and remembering information, reduce inflammation, anti-inflammatory foods that can combat inflammation in the brain, which can hinder memory and learning, enhanced learning, so proper nutritional support that growth and development of brain cells, leading to improved memory and cognitive abilities. So food is very, very important. Herbal remedies for improved memory. We can give like rosemary, which is believed to enhance memory and cognitive function. It can be incorporated into meals or used as teas. Then ginkgo biloba is an ancient herb which has its potential to improve blood circulation and cognitive functions. Then comes the lavender. Lavender has a calming effect and may aid in reducing stress and anxiety, both of which can negatively impact memory. It can be used as an aromatherapy or as a tea. So you can apply mixed lavender oil, few drops of lavender oil with the coconut oil, and just give a nice head massage. The role of exercise in memory enhancement. Increase blood flow. Exercise boost blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients, which is crucial for optimal brain functions and memory formation. Also, it reduces stress. So, exercise is an excellent stress reliever. Then also, regular physical activity encourages the growth of new brain cells and strengthens connection between the existing ones, leading to enhanced memory and learning abilities. Improved mood. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood boosting effects, further contributing to improved cognitive function and memory. Now, what are some of the Ayurvedic herbs for memory boosting? Brahmi, Ashwagandha, Gotu Kola. So, this we all know these herbs are very, very important for development of brain in the scholastic performance also, or school going children. And this we all get in many of the combinations available in the markets. Strategies to improve memory in children. So, number one strategy is encourage children to actively retrieve information for memory. That is simple rereading and passive listening. Then spaced repetition. Introduce this. Let them repeat some things again and again. So this is a new info. So whatever informations they get, they have to allow to consolidate all memories and improve retention. Then comes number three, comes the visualization. Help children create mental images associated with information, making it easier to remember. Then comes the mnemonics. Teach children memory techniques like acronyms, rhymes, or visual aids to make learning more engaging and memorable. Concentration enhancing foods for children. So some of the food are blueberries, then salmon, in if they are having non-vegetarians, spinach and avocado. These are rich in antioxidants. Then comes the holistic approach to memory improvement. Always see that your child is doing something, good, like spiritual, he is having something spiritually. Some yoga benefits can help them. So yoga exercises, very small exercises, which comes under the physical activity. But let them do this. Let them rhyme some Sanskrit stotra so that they can improve their concentration and their brain remains active. So conclusion is that holistic approach to memory improvement, brain health prioritize a nutritious diet and regular exercise to support brain health and cognitive function. Then comes the herbal support, considering some herbal support after consulting your healthcare professionals. Learning strategies. Teach children effective memory techniques and learning strategies to boost their retention and recall. Positive mindset. Create a supportive and encouraging environment that fosters a positive attitude towards learning and memory. So this was all. If you have any queries and for any support, you can connect with me, Dr. Neelam Patil, on WhatsApp 98925 18107. Also, I will send you a link of the book which I have published, Child Healthcare Support. So you can go through the book and you can help your child. And I am here on the mission to help your child and help parents to heal their child. So let us support each other. You can follow the link. Thank you.